Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Distinguished Chief Guest, Dr. Jaishankar, Senior Cardiologist, Director, Midway Hospital, Mr. Khalilur Rahman, Shoe Association Federation Secretary, Honorary Secretary, and Tanners Association, and Mr. M. Shahid Ahmad, Trustee of Anekar Rafiq Ahmad Sahib Hospital, and another trustee, Mr. Anekar Atiq Ahmad Sahib, Dr. Sama, and the dignitaries of the dais, the press delegates, patients, doctors, and dedicated ERH team, and my dear brothers and sisters of Ambur. I would say it's a historical event for Ambur, for a senior cardiologist like Dr. Shankar to have accepted and to give a backbone support to us and to have graced this occasion. Thank you, sir. Well, let me have the privilege to enumerate about the arrangement. It's a triangular arrangement. One is a Midway Hospital, Chennai. Another is Oxymed Hospital, Chennai, and Anekar Rafiq Ahmad Sahib Hospital. Now, to talk about Midway Hospital, it's the fastest growing corporate chain of hospital. And recently, last year, under the leadership of Dr. Jaishankar sir, they have started a separate hospital for a cardiology. It's a one-stop shop. Either it is a interventional cardiology, cardiothoracic surgery, or electrophysiology. You name it. I'm glad Dr. Sama is associated and he's gaining immense amount of knowledge from a laureate like Dr. Jaishankar. Now, with regard to Oxymed, we have been pioneering in dealing with inoperable group of patients. What do I mean by that? Surgery is not possible for all. There are certain complications. Mostly coronary arteries less than 1.5 millimeter, 1 millimeter, even in America, such a developed country, surgery is not possible. We have, in association with the American College of Advanced Medicine, we have got the knife-edge technology know-how, and we have been treating the inoperable group of patients. Well, you all know, with regard to, under the leadership of the trustee, Mr. M. Shahid Ahmad, a good human service has been carried out since a long period. So it's a trust hospital. So with a very minimal cost, most of their services has been rendered to this Ambur town. Now to talk about Dr. Sama, I'm immensely happy and proud that he has a special love and affection towards the town. From the day when he finished his education, he wanted to come and render his services. And he has been coming since a year, and always he has been mentioning me, this town has got everything, but there is a lack of department of cardiology. That's why we are here. So slowly the journey started. So ECG, treadmill, echo machine, and things like that. But as my earlier speakers have all said, the disease is such, it is a very stressful factor and cannot be afforded by all. It can range any interventional procedure from most minimum from 2 lakhs to surgical procedure up to 15 lakhs. It's beyond the common man's reach. So how are we going to service? This is what always had been the back of my mind. All of a sudden, as you see, there is a breaking news. Last week he came and said, Dad, I have got an excellent news for you. Our hospital Midway, they have empaneled with ESI. Now to talk about ESI, most of the corporate hospitals do not entertain this scheme. They only care for the affordable class and rich. So ESI is, most of the corporate hospitals are not entertaining. Though there are many government hospitals, the technologies are there, the doctors are there, but there is immense amount of waiting period, and then the service for such a large group of patients, service is very much compromised. So we are very much proud, sir, with this noble cause that you are here to render to Ambur people such a service. The moment I heard, I could not bottle up this. I immediately called up Rafiq Ahmad Sahib, Farida Group Chairman, and said, this is how it is. And then I also had a talk with Mr. Akhil Ahmad Sahib of Florence Shoes. And then also I talked to Shafiq, Mr. Shafiq of Shafiq Shamil, and then with Mr. Khalilur Rahman. They all were so much excited. They said, we all will join together and let us think about the welfare of all our Ambur people. So, with this noble thought, so we are starting the journey. One more news about 2-3 days back, Dr. Sama came and told. That was really gave me a goose people. He said, this is a first start. My sir has said, if the days goes, I can even send a portable cath lab, wherein at Ambur itself, angiogram and angioplasty can come. I wish and pray to Almighty, this dream should come true, whereas no person all the way to travel to Chennai or to Bangalore, this destination of Rafiq Ahmad Sahib Hospital should cater to all group of patients. So I wish that you all join with our prayers. There are certain doctors who have come. So I hope they also will give us support in rendering our service to the common people who are here. With this, I end my speech, and then I thank to the organizers and Mr. Nikhat and Mr. Jamal and all the other team, and I'm thankful to Shahid to also come forward, and also Mr. Khalid to come forward, and let us all jointly put a force and have an initiative of cardiology department. Thank you. Jazakallah.